everyone and welcome to the Luxy Hair channel. My name is Sarah Angius and in today's tutorial I'm gonna teach you 3 easy ways to create volume. Before starting the blow drying process, I use heat protection. It's a must. We need to protect our hair from the heat to make sure it doesn't dry out, it stays hydrated and beautiful. To create a lot of volume, I'm using a brush and a blow dryer. Now, this might be a little bit hard to start with. You can always purchase a blow dryer and a brush 2-in-1. To get the volume and the perfect polished look, I'm rotating my brush constantly while adding the hot air. And by keeping the hair sections up, you're creating a lot of volume, especially at the roots, and that's exactly what I want for today's look. If you have shorter layers like I do, you might consider switching to a smaller brush. I finish my hairstyle off by blowing some cold air through my hair. This will keep the hairstyle perfect the entire day. The easiest way to create a lot of volume is by adding the clip-in extensions, and I'm using my Luxys today just to do that. Clipping the Luxys in is so easy. All you have to do is section the hair off using the right clip and then work your way up to the front. You can decide how many clip-ins you want to add. For today's look, I'm using the entire set to get the perfect amount of volume. Because the Luxys are so light and so natural, you can't barely feel you're having them in your hair, but you can definitely see the amount of volume it adds to the hairstyle. Moving on to the next step, which is curling the hair, and it's my favorite way to create volume. With a curling wand, I'm twisting the hair sections away from my face and I'm curling all the hair section in the same direction. Using my finger, I can feel when the hair section is getting hot enough to let go. All of this is also achievable with a straightener. You can use wherever you prefer to create the curls. A great tip I would love to share with you is to leave the curled hair section alone until you're finished. This way it will cool off and it will hold much longer. I'm squeezing the curls before combing them or teasing them to ensure all the hair is perfectly curled. Next, I'm teasing the curled hair section to create extra volume and body. Backcombing the hair will make the hair bigger, literally, and I'm using a teasing comb to do this. Or if you prefer, you can use a big brush to tease the hair, whatever you prefer to get the job done. Be gentle when teasing the hair so you don't end up creating a lot of frizz. To create extra volume, I am using volume powder. I love to spread the product not only on my roots, but throughout the entire hair. Be careful not to use too much product, as you might end up weighting the hair down. Okay, I think we're done here. I love how my hair is blending perfectly with my Luxys. Now, that's how I love to create a lot of volume. I use the curling wand to create the curls. And when you create curls, you are making your hair bigger already. So that's the perfect base. And teasing the curled hair section will make that section bigger and will create a lot of body. Whether you use a brush or a comb, wherever you prefer, this way you create a lot of volume. You're making the hair bigger and voluminous. And adding hairspray or a volume powder like I did will give the hair that extra body, that extra volume, and will make sure it will hold and stay perfect in place the entire day. Thank you for following along on how to create big voluminous hair. Don't forget to use hashtag Luxy Hair if you decide to recreate one of these looks and use one of these techniques that I just showed you. For more hair tutorials, you can check me out on my YouTube channel, link down in the description box. I want to thank you so much for taking your time to be here with me. I really hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!